Guys, before we start today's video, I'm going to quickly show you my villa that I've just moved into, and it just shows you that anything is possible in crypto if you stick at it long enough with trading, investing, and just basically being around long enough and being consistent, turning up every single day. So I'll quickly show you the villa, and then let's jump into today's video, and I'll show you exactly where I'm looking for Bitcoin to go next. Super interesting. Very bullish on Bitcoin at the moment, to be honest with you, and I'll show you exactly what I'm looking at in the charts. Okay, so as you can see, this is the villa here, and it's got like a kids area there. It's gated a bit, so that's the driveway. And if we head over here, we've got the swimming pool. It's a heated swimming pool. It's got fountains and stuff with it as well, and a jacuzzi at the back. And then let's head inside. It's like the living room here. And if we head over here, it's got like a massive kids play area. It's got another bedroom, another room there. It's got a kids play area at the back. And then let's head upstairs. It's got like a bit on the landing there. And then you've got the balcony over here. And then we're still moving in, so it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Got the master bedroom, balcony there. And then like a walk-in wardrobe area. Again, it's a bit messy. We've literally just moved in. Massive bathroom there, dressing table. And then we go back down here, and I'm gonna set up a setup for like videos and bits downstairs. And then if we head over here, we've got my office on the right, and then we got a bedroom on the left. So this literally shows you that anything is achievable if you just stick at something and you're consistent. Consistency is the main winner in anything, in business, in trading, in content, whatever you're doing. If you're consistent and you turn up every single day and you just get better and better, and you could just aim to get like 1% better a day, you're going to literally advance, and you're going to be able to do whatever you want. So yeah, all right, look, let's jump into the charts. Also, I put my Weex link below. You'll get a 20% deposit bonus if you sign up to Weex. If you deposit $1,000, you'll get $200 for free. If you deposit $2,000, you'll get $400 completely for free. Which is basically free money to trade with. Okay, now just on the Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, obviously we got this kind of trend here. Let's just move this line to kind of look at this trend line here. All right, so we've obviously got a bounce here, we've got a bounce here, there, went slightly through it, and now we're starting to head back up. Now, what is really interesting, and this is the daily charts. Obviously, the daily chart takes a while to play out, and the smaller time frames will play out a lot quicker. Now, if we look, we've obviously got the EMAs. The blue needs to get above the orange. We need to flip that, and then we're off to the moon for Bitcoin. Now, what is really interesting is we basically tested it. We had a fake out. There are a lot of people that started longing it. Think we're going back to over $100,000, and then we basically fell back through. But then we've basically found the blue EMA there as support, and now we're starting to head up. So I'm looking for us to basically break above this, and the next time we fall down, it's going to use the EMAs as support. Both of them. Okay, so I'm looking for the blue to flip the orange. We start heading up, and the next stop, the next area of resistance for Bitcoin will be around 102,000 to around 104, 105,000, which would be the equilibrium. We have a rejection from there. We've been in the oversold area. We're going to come back, and then we're going to start edging back up, break through this resistance area, and then go up to 114,000 for the next stop, which is the next resistance area. Now, if we have a look, we've obviously got a strong low here, multiple rejections, 1, 2, 3, and then we've started heading up here, had the fake out, bounced, and then boom, we're starting to go off again. So it's looking really bullish on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Okay, so I've just dropped down to the hourly chart for Bitcoin, and this is also looking very bullish. So we have a strong low here. We've had multiple rejections. We've just had a break of structure today. And then we're basically kind of coiling up. It looks like we're potentially going to come back down a bit, maybe retest the equilibrium, use that support level, and then start going up. We've got multiple support levels, here and here, and then multiple bounces as well. So I think a potential trade, if you're looking to do a trade today, is currently the 12th of January on Monday. Maybe even short these levels. It is a bit risky, but if you're shorting, you could potentially short from kind of 91.7 to 95 to potentially like 91.
290, 300 just for a small trade during the day. I personally wouldn't. If you're going to do it, like maybe do it quick. And obviously this video will probably be out in about an hour, 2 hours. So yeah, that's a potential trade on a short. But what I'd potentially do is put a buy limit somewhere around here, and then ride it up to about 93,800, and it will probably be bouncing here. Because if we look at the RSI as well, you can't actually see it on my screen, but the RSI, we're currently in the overbought. We're at 59.69 on the RSI, so that's why I'm seeing us fall back slightly. The RSI basically reset, get to a neutral zone, and then we're going to start heading up for the next move for Bitcoin. But overall, we're looking very, very good for Bitcoin. The news and everything is quite good. Obviously, we've had the Venezuela thing. That's only been positive for the markets as well. Everything's pumping. We've got gold at all-time high, silver at all-time high, and now Bitcoin and the altcoins also starting to make their move. So guys, just to conclude, overall, I'm looking for a long position. If you want to do a short, bit risky, but you can potentially do a small trade, like a day trade, a short down to the EMAs, maybe equilibrium, maybe even bounce through it, and we use the orange EMA as a support level. All right, but the trade that I'm really looking for is a long from roughly 90,000, say 91,000 to 91,250. If you open a long around those ranges with a stop loss just below the strong low, which would be about 90,000, and then you basically ride it up to about 93,000. I can see that playing out really, really well, and that will be quite a nice trade that I'll be taking myself. I'm going to wait for a few hours, just see how this plays out, and then yeah, I'll be looking for a trade potentially today, maybe see how tomorrow opens, just see how we go for the day, because I think we're going to be bouncing between these levels. Wait for the RSI to reset, get down to a neutral zone, and then I'll be opening a position and riding it to the upside. So again, the Weex link for the exchange that I'm using is in the video description. You'll get a 20% deposit bonus and also discounts on fees if you sign up. It's a brilliant exchange. It's the main exchange that I'm using. So yeah, that's just a quick breakdown on Bitcoin for today, and I will see you guys in the next video.